Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting a fix for Dota 2 lag. Check prerequisites and take first actions now. Close background apps, then prioritize network and graphics. Start by quitting heavy programs like browsers, cloud backups, game launchers you don't need. Next, set Dota 2 to high performance in Windows Power Plan and update your GPU drivers. Once done, run a quick ping test and note packet loss. Make sure to switch to a wired connection if possible, and restart your router to get fresh DHCP lease. Now optimize in-game settings and OS network tuning. Lower render resolution, turn off anti-aliasing, limit FPS to your monitor refresh to reduce CPU/GPU spikes. In advanced settings, disable ambient occlusion and high particle effects. Keep texture quality moderate. Then open Task Manager, set Dota 2 to high priority only if CPU constrained. Once done, adjust network settings. Enable Co-S on your router for UDP traffic, reduce finish by validating drivers, firmware, and overlays. Update motherboard LAN drivers and router firmware. Install the latest GPU driver cleanly. Disable Discord/Steam overlays and test with a fresh Dota 2 config, rename CFG folder. Once done, run a network trace while playing to pinpoint spikes and compare results after each change. If problems persist, reset network settings and try a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP issues. Troubleshooting tip: if packet loss remains, request a line test from your ISP with your trace logs ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.